green marble crochet tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this scarf, which I've named the deep sea Starflower scarf because of the colour, and it looks like a fishnet. But the actual stitch is just called Starflower stitch. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. It's really easy. It may seem complicated at first, like I say in the tutorial, but once you get used to the repetitions, super easy to make and it will go very quickly. So it's a nice quick project to work on. Yeah, so for a very pretty stitch. I really love it. Alright, so that, I don't think there's much else to say. If you haven't subscribed but you would like to subscribe to join me for some more tutorials, I would love to have you join me. A big thank you to all my patrons. Thank you for your support and thank you for caring for me. I really appreciate it. Also, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. Oh, yes, if anyone needs to get in contact with me for anything, if you need help with anything, find me on Instagram. That's the quickest way to get a hold of me, and I can answer questions pretty quickly there. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, let's just get straight into making this. Alright, so to begin, we're going to have a look at the tiny details. I've already taken the label off this one just here, so I'm going to grab that, and we're going to have a look. So I'll just run you through having a look, just quickly starting from the top. So there is the top. If you need more time to look at anything, just pause the video and have a bit more of a look. So it's saying to use a 5.5mm hook, but I'm going to be using a 4mm hook because I want the stitches to be a little tighter. So there we go, and more of the label. And a little more. So it's 75% acrylic, 20% wool, and 5% metallic fibers, which I love. And then it is machine washable, which is awesome. And it's designed in Barcelona, made in Italy, which is really cool. Alright, so let's begin. Now, I just want to mention quickly that it may seem at first that this stitch is a little complicated, but it's not. Once you get used to the repetitions, it's actually really easy and you'll be fine. So don't worry. We're going to run through it. I'll try and go through it as slow as I can. Also, I wanted to mention, if I go too fast for anyone, there's a feature on YouTube on the video where you can actually slow down the video if you want to, you know, get more out of it, or if it, yeah, like I said, if I'm going too fast, you can do that. So yeah, just want to mention that. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so finding the end of our yarn, we're going to make a slip knot. So that is wrapping the yarn around your fingers like this, grab, pull through. Then we're going to adjust that knot to the hook and focus a bit better and pull tight. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a chain of 47. So to chain, that is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So that's a chain of 3, and I'm chaining 47. Alright, now here I am with my chain of 47. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be putting a triple crochet into the 7th chain from the hook. So we're going to, for a triple crochet, let's talk about how to do that. So we're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, then hold those 2 loops there and count 7 back from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And into that chain, we're going to insert our hook. Then we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's a triple crochet. Alright, so what we do next is we're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to count 5 chains along. So counting 5 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to single crochet into that chain. So single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 for a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Then count 5 along one more time, but for this one we're going to be doing another triple crochet. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, count 5 across, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook into that 5th chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to be chaining 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to put another triple crochet into that same chain that we've already put that triple crochet. So it's 2 triple crochets with a chain of 5 between, like so. So that's what we've done. We've single crochet. So basically this is the pattern to the end. It's a single crochet followed by a chain of 3, triple crochet, chain 5, triple crochet into the 5th chain along. Then we're going to chain 3 again. So 1, 2, 3. Count 5 chains across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet into that 5th chain across. So single crochet, then we're going to chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, count, triple crochet, so yarn over twice, count 5 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple crochet into that 5th chain, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another triple crochet into that chain. So I think you can see what the pattern is. So obviously after this we're going to do a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, count 5 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into that 5th chain, and chain 3. So there's a chain of 3, a single crochet, another chain of 3, followed by counting 5 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a triple crochet and a chain of 5 and another triple crochet all into the same chain. And you're going to repeat this to the end of the row. Alright, so here I am at the end of the row and I'm about to work into the last chain. So for this it's a triple crochet into the last chain. So here we are, triple crochet. Now, at this point, you're going to chain 2. So 1, 2, and put another triple crochet into that last chain. 1, 2, and 3. So there's the first row. So this is just how the first rows are going to be. For the second and the third one, second and the third rows, those are going to be the rows that you're going to continue to repeat throughout the entire scarf. So, okay, what we do next is we are going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to turn the work. We're working back in the other direction. And straight from that chain of 4, what we're going to do is we're going to put a triple crochet into that chain 1, into that single crochet from the previous row. So just into that single crochet, in through like that, put your triple crochet, so 1, 2, 3, followed by the chain of 5. So you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another triple crochet into the single crochet. So next to that triple crochet we've already put in, we're going to put another one. And then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and our single crochet is going to go into that chain space of 5. So just single crochet straight into that. Let me show you that properly. So here's the chain space. You're going to single crochet right into that chain space and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to move on to the next single crochet from the previous row, and you're going to put your triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, followed by your chain of 5, 4, 5, and another triple crochet into that same single crochet. And that's how this row is going to go. So this is the second row. You're going to continue doing that to the end. 1, 2, 3. you single crochet into the chain space of 5, single crochet, chain 3, 2, 3, triple crochet into the next single crochet from the previous row. Yeah, and I'll meet you at the end of the row and we'll talk about what we're going to do next. Okay, here I am at the end of the row, and because I'm ending on a single crochet, what we're going to do is we're going to put our single crochet just into that chain space, which is the chain space of 6 from the beginning of the first row. So just into that chain space at the end, put a single crochet, and you've completed the second row. So that's what that is going to look like. Might look a little messy to start with, but it's going to start to look really pretty in no time. Alright, so our next row, which is row 3, what you're going to do is you're going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to turn the work. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a triple crochet, so let's focus the camera, triple crochet right into that single crochet you did right there at the end of the previous row. So triple crochet right there next to the chain of 6, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to chain 3, so 1, 2, and 3, and moving on to that chain space of 5 from the previous row, you're going to single crochet into that, followed by a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to triple crochet into the single crochet just there from the previous row, so into that single crochet, triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, followed by the chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another triple crochet into that same single crochet. So yeah, I mean basically the in-between bit of this is just like the previous row. You're chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into that chain space of 5, the next chain space of 5 along, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet into the next single crochet along from the previous row, 1, 2, 3, followed by the chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another triple crochet into that single crochet from the previous row. So another triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, and yes, carry on that way till the end. We'll meet back up at that point and we'll talk about what we're going to do next. Alright, now here I am at the end of the row, and for this one I'm going to be ending on a triple crochet, well, triple crochet, chain 2, triple crochet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our triple crochet into that last stitch, or that stitch right there at the beginning of the previous row. So see where that chain joins that chain? Just into that part, just there. Put your triple crochet, so 1, 2, 3, then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and another triple crochet into that same space, into that same little stitch right at the end. Oh, camera's not focusing. Oh, okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, and just into there, another triple crochet, and that is row 3. So now what you're going to do is you're going to repeat row 2. So remember, to do that, we just chain up 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn the work, and we put a triple crochet into that first single crochet along. So yeah, if you need to, just go back, re-watch rows 2 and 3. But from here, I think you know what to do. And I'm not gonna 3, 4, 5 bore you with more rambling. We'll just go away. We'll complete our scarves. I'm really excited about this because I absolutely adore this yarn. It's gorgeous. If you know anything about me, you know that I really love yarns with metallics through. It's just excellent. Alright, so yes, like I said, I'm not going to ramble. We'll go away. We'll finish our scarves. At the end, we'll meet back up. We'll try on our scarves. We'll see how they look. And I think they're going to look absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so just a nice light scarf for moving into winter. Which obviously isn't for, you know, a while. But anyway, okay. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Okay, so here is the scarf all finished. So yeah, as you can see, really simple to make, really easy. Very lightweight, so it is going to be a nice transition from autumn into winter, but it is surprisingly warm, especially with this particular yarn. So yeah, I love this design, I really do. There's actually not a lot to say about it. Yeah. So as you can see, it is very fishnet looking. But yes, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.